Hoo, 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 hoo. It's cold today. It's what, like 4 degrees. And we've been seeing some comments online, not necessarily with our page, but just in general about like these frigid temperatures and how cruel it is to leave our animals out in the barn in this weather. Like, first off, where else are you going to put goats during winter, but in the barn? And secondly, they're kind of built for it. So Xena, our guard dog, is, what is she? She is a Great Pyrenees, and so she loves this weather. She, even though if it's really cold, she has this undercoat that keeps her nice and warm, and she absolutely loves the cold weather, and she loves snuggles too. All right. And then regarding the goats, well, I mean, goats live in the mountains, in the snowy mountains all over the world. And when winter comes around, they get this nice cashmere coat, nice and thick. Even the babies will handle this weather no problem at all. Stop. Now, this is a tradition that Mamaw started with these goats a long time ago, and it was just a fun little treat for them, but now they are just, oh my gosh, they go nuts for him. Here you go, Rosie. Hey, get Rosie one. There you go, girl. And they pretty much just tackle you. But they love them. It's a nice treat for them. And you already got one. And get off. You already had one. Here you go, Bamboo. Now, this is Luna. She's really skittish, except when it comes to peanuts. She will come to you no problem. You didn't get one. Oh, did you not get one yet? There you go. Patient girl. Look at you, not running me over. What a sweet. Hey, jerk. All right. We also have heated water buckets in the barn. These just plug in, and then it just keeps the water wet for them to drink so it doesn't freeze over. And looks like they are due for some. No more peanuts, all gone. Ow. Another thing we have is all this bedding right here. We during the summer we'll scoop out the bottom of the barn. It's concrete under here, and during the summer months and the warmer months we'll let them sleep on a little bit of bedding, but mostly concrete because it's nice and cool and they don't mind it. But in the winter we'll put some bedding down, and we don't clean up the straw that comes out of their feeder there, and then they use that to sleep at night and keeps them nice and warm. And they're herd animals, so they'll huddle together. Man, you are just wanting attention all the time. Go guard something. Go guard something. Go. And as far as the chickens go, you know, they're not super built for cold weather. In fact, they like the sun a lot more, but they don't mind it all that much. They'll still dance around in the snow. It's the rain they don't really like. But we've never had a chicken in all the years that we've had chickens. We've never had a chicken die of cold. They'll stay in their hen house or it's warmer. We don't use any external heat lamps or anything like that. But they handle themselves quite well. The big issue with them is just keeping their water from freezing. And that's probably another project in the future. Oh, see, they're out and about. Yeah. No problem. All right, let's go.